Kalispera from a place called Posidonio. As you will know, in the Odyssey, the Odyssea, Posidonio tries to drown Odysseus several times because with his fellow travelers, Syntrophes, I think, to save themselves from being eaten alive, they blinded Cyclope, the one-eyed Cyclops. So, from the point of view of the Odyssey, Poseidonia, this place, Poseidonia, is a symbol of rage. I don't want rage. I want music. And Tigris never roars because he's quiet. He keeps me calm. And Roku, my dog who's not with me now, never barks. He might be deaf. I'll find out on Monday at the vet. So this song, still a draft. It will be developed with the help of my friends. It's called. It has three names: Teodenche, Lashasta, Aceto. This is for my tribe. The disabled. I've been disabled for a while now. And it's for Nannu Frank and Sia Kelina, who are with me when I'm in trouble. And for my friends who know how to listen when they can. Forsi et stella Hey, my fingers are very big. Luminata Forsi et stella Grigalata Forsi et stella telefonata Al job tazob magven tal giornata Let's go straight into it, the Italian. Ugly. Forse aspetti una donna Forse aspetti una colomba Forse aspetti un messaggio che ti incazza, che t'ammazza, tu resta saggio. Lascia stare, lascia stare. Il tempo I've only been playing guitar 1 month after 30 years because I was forbidden from being a musician because musician is la mama. Yeah, this is also for people with mental health conditions like me. Alright. Στα αυτός είναι ελληνικός ο Τίγρης. Όχι βέβαια. Δεν είναι. Δεν είναι ψεύτικος, είναι αληθινός. He is real. Take me to the madhouse. I am not mad. I'm always done. Ίσως περιμένεις μία λίστα ίσως περιμένεις δική ελευθερία ίσως περιμένεις την ησυχία χαλαρά μοναξιά χωρίς φασαρία sorry, it's me. Aceto Σήμερα είμαστε εδώ χαλαρά χαλαρά θα θα πάνε μέρα θα πάνε όλα καλά Aceto Whistle medley, sirvi. I can't read my pencil writing in this light, Madonna. Έτσι bravo Hamsala Bon courage Keep it up Così mi piace Cola pede shit I forgot Hamsalau Cola pede Manafsh δεν ξέρω τι έχω γραφεί but the last thing is the most important one the last one is going to be A obviously la 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 the syllable of singing A la Eia courage Tell them shame Alright, don't overdo it, fine. Vamos sa Ireon. Hani matula. Handok ko na rapiano xylophone matula. Vamos. Manja. This is what I do. I say I'm deaf when I go to the restaurants and bars. I don't want to say misofonia alla iperacusia biribiri buruburu. No, I just imikufos, respect. And then I don't say Efharisto. I just do this. And they do the same. And we are friends. So, now, with a smile, come on. Ay, dilom. Sorry.